Hi mga mamis! So medyo busy tayo today and I have decided to do something different. So actually matagal ko na binabalak na bumalik sa pagbablog. I just couldn't find the time and the energy to do it. But today I have decided to finally do it. Itatry ko lang naman. So kanina nagpunta kami ng Lasal kasama ko ang mga bagets. This is actually the first time na nakabalik sina Isaiah at Kael sa Lasal after they have transferred school. Ang alam ko si Ike, he had visited his friends here after he transferred school. But for Isaiah and Kael, yes, this is their first time na makabalik ulit dito. Kaya medyo ramdam ko talaga yung excitement nilang dalawa pagkapasok pa lang namin ng gate. Excited silang nagkikwento ng mga memories nila nung dito pa sila nag-aaral.
I had 3 memories around those 3 booths. Yeah. First is Lasal Fair. Second is waiting for you playing Soul Night. Third is aggressively doing my AP homework because I forgot to do it.
one time not a party and I left my bag there and like a party bag behind my bag, and when I came back,
It's gone?
the party bag was gone.
Okay, let's go.
So mabilis lang naman kami doon. Kumuha lang kami ng Form 137 for Aiki. Actually, nakapagsabit na ako ng Form 137 for the 3 of them. But according to Aiki's teacher, kulang daw yun nasa Form 137 niya. Yung sa grade 7 lang daw yung andon, hindi kasama yung sa elementary, so I have to request a new one. So pagkatapos namin doon, kailangan naman namin asikasuhin ang uniforms ni Kael. Maaga kasi yung enrollment nila. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakapasa siya sa MSU IIT IDS, one of the best schools here in Iligan City. And so we went to the assigned tailoring shop at dahil medyo malapit lang naman, naglakad lang kami. Kasi kapag nag-jeep ka, mas matatagalan kasi iikot pa yung jeep.
Daplin, Christian, Daplin.
Beast mode yarn. At dahil nga hindi na tayo sanay sa lakaran ay medyo hiningal tayo ng very light dyan. Pero ayun at nakarating naman ang matiwasay. And as expected, medyo punuan sa loob. Ang daming nagpapagawa ng uniforms. Pero man yata na. You mean taasa mo? Putot mo ka. Sa lahat ba kasi nang pwede mong mamana sa akin yung height pa. So ayun na nga, may mga adjustments na kailangan gawin para talagang magkasya sa kanya yung uniforms. Kapag small kasi masyadong maliit sa kanya. Yung medium naman okay lang yung laki kaso medyo mahaba nga kaya kailangang putulan. Eto nagsusukat na din kami ng pants at same with the polo, yung pants na kasi sa kanya yung waistline ay medyo mahaba kaya kailangan ulit putulan. Gawas na! Come here. I'll fix it. Just put on your shoes. I'll fix it. Ang sarap mong kadira. Ay, come here. Yung sole. Tanong mo sa yung shoes, babe. Ang sole na tang-tang daw. Stop. Why are you on the floor? Oy. Oh, come here. So pagkatapos dun ay alailakad ulit ang mga bagets. We're heading to the next tailor shop for the PE uniforms naman. At dahil hindi kami familiar dun sa isa pang tailor shop, ay kailangan pa namin itong hanapin. And we're here.
Sit down. Kaya naman yata siya medium no kay. Okay. Okay, ra medium. Turn around daw. Okay.
So ayun, and we're done. Joke. Like for part 2.